Hello everyone, it's Free Advice Friday and here is the news. Yesterday's news reported that only 8% of crimes go resolved.
Chris, can't you say that in a different way?
Yes, I can. Yesterday's news said only 8%.
No.
Sorry.
It's a different way of saying it.
There is. You could say it this way, that 92% of crimes go unsolved, no arrests, no resolvement from the crime. So which one do you want to be in those statistics? What would it mean to you, your business or your home? What blight would you suffer? What losses would you suffer? What recovery time would it take and the expense to do it? So for you and your business, what is the simplest, the quickest, the most effective cost-wise thing you can do to make you one of the statistics that are in the 8% of solved crimes? Look around your home, look around your business. What can you do? You know what you can do. You know it's been in the back of your mind. If you're struggling with that, ask a professional. We'll come along, no cost to you, and we'll give you the best advice we can that's going to give you the best deal. So that's Chris Mortimer from Chrism Security. Thank you for your post last week, and I'm looking forward to your post from this week.